Hey guys, welcome to Screencast, right? So in this section here, what I'm going to do is I'm going to put a screencast script that you guys can change up, make it your own, but you kind of see what we go through and what we're going over. Mainly those three things, right? So we're going to be going over content, links, and citations. Sometimes we get more in depth, sometimes we don't. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to leave a link under this video somewhere that one you're going to get all the text or the exact script. The other link is going to be to this YouTube video here, which is one of our car concepts, Colorado Springs. It's a company that we prospected and ended up landing. And then from there, I also in this, when you guys come to this video, if you guys want to see more, just come down to here. Yeah, just subscribe. And then I'm sure I have a shit ton of, this one and Mr. and Mrs. Lee's. So on this one here, I think we have there's got to be 500 or 600 or 700, at least 500 to 700 screencasts that you could go through and just watch. You'll see different guys that I have working for me putting screencasts up there over the last few years. You'll be able to watch how they did it. And this works. Screencasts work amazing. It's like handing free value out before you ask for anything. So make sure you're utilizing screencasts. Make sure you're shooting as many as you can, getting people to say yes, and moving them through the system. So just subscribe to it, come through, and watch videos. If you don't like the way I shoot them, maybe you like the way Calvin shoots them. Maybe you like the way Ren shot them. Maybe you like the way Jack shot them. Maybe you like the way Taylor shoots them. It's all your preference, man. And really, it doesn't matter as long as you go over those three things: links, citations, and content. If you're going over those three things and really educating the customer, when they think SEO, when they think getting new clients off the line, they're going to think of your name. So really educate them, really care about them when you're speaking to them. Don't get all technical. I know some of you get super technical, and you guys can get into the behind the scenes type of stuff. They don't need to know all of that stuff, and it throws them off. So you don't want to go over the top of their head completely, but you want to be that bridge, right? So here's the real technical side. Here's a business owner side. You need to be that bridge to kind of explain the basics of how we're going to get them there, how we're going to get them new customers, and that's all you need to do. And they're going to want to schedule that discovery call with you from there. So. Like I said, I'm going to give you guys the exact script. You can come in here and watch as many videos as you want, and we'll see you guys on the other side. So get these screencasts out. Oh, also, I'm going to be handing you guys in this section as well an email template that we use. So we're getting ready to send out a screencast, for instance, and all you have to do is change out their competitors' stuff in there, and then also, so you're going to say, you're just going to change out that link. So you're going to come in here and you're going to take your YouTube link and you're going to post it inside this email and then send that email out. So you're going to get all of those things inside this section. That's about it. So make sure you jump on this. Make sure you utilize it, guys. It's like I just see too many people. I want to keep talking about screencasts because I see too many people. I'm like, I seen some guys in JK not too long ago. They were like, "Yeah, man, I'm doing all this prospecting, I'm doing all this work," and I'm like, "Well, how many screencasts did you shoot? Shoot me over your screencasts." They're like, "Never shot a screencast." What do you mean you never shot a screencast? That's like 101, right? That's like what you should have learned from day one when you're prospecting. Screencast brings tons of value. It also educates the customer about you, and you don't even have to do much at all. So, yeah, just make sure you're shooting screencasts. I'd love to see some of your screencasts too, so private message me with some of your screencasts when you get them done, and I'd love to take a look at them for you. So with that, we'll talk to you guys later.